everybody, how are we doing today? My name is Nick with Ventiques. Today we're going to show you how to install one of our flush mount vents. We're going to show you from start to finish how easy it is to install one of ours. We do offer 4 different styles and you'll be seeing those later on today as well. So get ready as we are going to show you just how easy it is to install one of our Ventique vents.
Hi, I'm Don from Ventiques Incorporated. Today we are going to show you the installation process for flush mount metal vents using the tile and thin set installation method. A few features about our vent is it is a 1/2 inch thick. This one here is the breeze style with the damper. It's adjustable right here. This is anodized, baked on, powder coated. We also have an anodized that's baked on. We have 4 different styles, 10 different colors currently. It can be installed floating with laminate, wood floor nailed up to it. It can be a vinyl plank. Today we're going to show you tile. It can be carpet, any insulation you want. The way you're going to start off the install is going to be to pre-cut your tile. There is a 1/2 inch variance with the adjustability from which way you can adjust it and move it around to square up your vent opening. Once you got the tile pre-cut, then you can spread your thin set into your substrate of your underlayment, whether that's cement board, on concrete, on wood, on Detramat. It doesn't matter. We can install it over any substrate you want. So today we're going to install it over Detramat, and we're using the Ramonde clips as well for the tile leveling system. And then once you have your thin set squeeze out through the vent, you're going to wipe it clean. The next day you can grout it. After that, you are done. It is very simple. Our grills are interchangeable with the different styles that we have. So if you don't like the grill style that you down the road, you can always change the grill style. See us on our Instagram page, our Facebook, and our website of ventiques.com.